There are more than 3,600 different known species of snakes in the world. Among these snakes, there are some that you'll probably never get the chance to see because they're incredibly hard to find. Check out now the 10 rarest snakes in the world. Number 10. The horned viper. This snake is rare and famous for its interesting appearance with small horns on its head. It is actually very common throughout arid desert areas and lives mainly in milder temperatures. This snake usually buries its entire body deep in the sand, sticking its horned head out while it patiently waits for its next prey. Whenever they feel threatened, they coil their bodies into a C shape. Number 9. Rainbow snake. The rainbow snake is a large species endemic to the coastal plains of the southeastern United States. One of a subspecies of this snake has been declared extinct. Rainbow snakes possess strikingly smooth and glossy iridescent blackish-blue scales marked with 3 vibrant red stripes. They feature distinctively short tails ending in a sharp, spiny tip. These adult snakes may also display subtle yellow coloring along their sides and heads. Due to their highly secretive and elusive habits, rainbow snakes are notoriously difficult to spot in the wild. They spend the majority of their lives in the water, hiding deep within aquatic vegetation or other forms of natural cover. These powerful predators are highly skilled swimmers and also know exactly how to burrow deep into the mud and sand. Number 8. The rattlesnake. This is a critically endangered species of snake that is found in much smaller numbers than ever before. It is native to the island of Aruba. They vary in color as they display dramatic coloration. They can be seen in colors ranging from brown to pink. Their habitat is restricted, so there are few chances for migration and spread. Only 240 individual adult specimens exist on the island. That is why they are now part of the species survival plan for captive breeding programs. Coming in at number 7, the sea snake. The short-nosed sea snake, more commonly known as the Aerophora seasal's reef snake, is a venomous snake and highly dangerous to humans. But all human activities have made this species endangered. It is generally found on the Ashmore and Cartier Islands and on the Ningaloo Reef. When it hadn't been seen for 15 years, biologists feared it might be extinct. These snakes are long-lived and covered with a brownish-purple stripe. They live in the sands of Recife and on the seabed, from 2 to 20 meters deep. 6. Antigua racer. The Antigua racer is one of the species that was endangered a few years ago, as only 50 of them remained in their habitat on the island of Antigua. With the cultivation of the species and the uprooting of predators, the number of Antigua's racer increased to 1,100. They have many different colors, and as they grow older, these colors change quite drastically, displaying even more vibrant hues. Number 5. The nose-horned viper. The nose-horned viper is a venomous snake found in southern Europe and parts of the Middle East. It is considered the most dangerous of the European vipers due to its large size, long fangs, and highly toxic venom. The most striking feature of the snake is the single horn on its snout. The color pattern is different for males and females. In males, the head has irregular dark brown, dark gray, or black spots. The tongue is usually black, and the iris has a golden or coppery color. Males have a distinctive dark spot or a V-shaped mark located on the back of their head. Number 4. The golden lancehead. It lives exclusively on Queimada Grande Island, 35 kilometers off the coast of Sao Paulo, which is reflected in various aspects of its morphology and behavior. It was once estimated that there were about 3,000 to 5,000 individuals on the island, but recent reports, based on estimates, have stated that there are only about 2,000 animals. The golden lancehead has no competitors or predators. It can survive for about 6 months without eating, feeding mainly on birds and eggs. Its venom is studied by specialists, but its antidote is rarely produced. A person bitten dies from total organ failure within 2 hours. 3. Leaf-nosed snake. The leaf-nosed snake is a medium-sized arboreal species native to Madagascar. It is found in dry and tropical forests, often in vegetation about 5 to 6.5 feet above the ground. Leaf-nosed snakes can grow up to 1 meter in length. These snakes can display curious resting behavior, hanging from branches. It hunts prey such as lizards, both arboreal and terrestrial. These snakes are oviparous, with clutch sizes ranging from 5 to 11 eggs. A bite from this snake causes a lot of pain in humans, but it is not fatal. 2. Garter snake. The San Francisco garter snake has been classified as an endangered subspecies since 1967 and is found in California. Some researchers estimate that there are only 1,000 to 2,000 adult snakes. However, the full extent of the snake's habitat has not been completely documented, and many snakes may use streams and other waterways that have yet to be explored. This snake prefers wet, marshy areas, and because of its elusive nature, it is hard to spot or capture. Adult garter snakes can grow up to 1.5 meters in length. Its eyes are large compared to other species, giving the snake good vision to be active, especially during the day. This species is virtually harmless to humans. Its bites are fatal to its prey, but cause only a minor irritation in humans, with somewhat mildly toxic venom found in its saliva. 1. Dragon snake. The dragon snake is a small, non-venomous snake. This species is best known for its distinctive dorsal scales and interesting defense mechanism, in which it stiffens its entire body when threatened. It is nocturnal and feeds on frogs, tadpoles, and small fish, although they are known to die when kept in captivity. It has a distinct head and a long tail. The total length is about 50 centimeters. Males can typically be distinguished from females by carefully examining their total body size, tail thickness, and tail length. Females are considerably larger than their male counterparts and possess much thinner, shorter tails. What exactly would you do if you happen to encounter one of these snakes in the wild? Let us know in the comments, and see you next time, folks.